Make that up, Lois. What's in it for them?
Oh, hey, Mr. G. How's it going?
Quagmire, what are you doing here?
Hi, Glenn. Bye, you guys. Me and Glenn are going out.
What? Like hell you are!
Don't worry, Dad. I'll take care of him. Stay away from my sis.
Okay, you two have fun on your date.
What?
Drive carefully. We'll see you later.
Lois, you out of your mind? We can't let Quagmire take Meg out on a date. That guy'll bang anything. Hey, Lois, I'm starving. What's for dinner?
I made meatloaf. It's in the fridge.
Hey, Peter, do you mind?
But I have to get dinner.
Go out.
Peter, nothing's gonna happen. Don't you see? She's only doing this to get a rise out of us. If we fight her on it, she'll only push further.
Well, she may not plan on sleeping with him, but you don't know how smooth Quagmire is, Lois. He's like a magician.
Oh, that's clever.
I know. He practices magic.
Magician was funnier.
Okay, well, the point is we ought to be worried.
Peter, trust me. I know what's going on in her head. It's just a game. I used to do the same thing to my parents. The problem is they pushed back, and the results were not good.
Mr. Peter Schmidt, we pumped your daughter's stomach and we found vodka, Rohypnol, a fair amount of DNA that is not her own, and a class ring.
Harvard?
I think it was SUNY something?
Oh, I don't want to hear anymore.